Vibration's extremely high. I'm feeling cool. I'm feeling like Snoh on a hot day. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling fabulous, fantastic. You dig? You know, I'm smiling. You know, I'm singing. I'm singing like the birds. I'm up early to get the worm. You feel me? Slicker than a perm. Too clean. Don't stand next to me if you ain't got it. Aye.
Yes, people, big up. Greetings and welcome back to the Mental Emancipation Network. And I'm out and about again, clearing my mind and hiking for that health. Hope everyone's good, and I'll catch you up further down the trail. Big up, big up.
I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around.
So I decided to go out for a walk today as the weather was absolutely beautiful. And once again, I just needed to de-stress from all the procrastinating and all the overthinking I've been doing of lately. I just thought it was a perfect opportunity to go down to this amazing nature reserve that my friend had told me to check out. Like I said, I didn't even plan to stay out for long, or I definitely didn't plan to make a video today. But the walk was so nice, and I felt so, what's the word I'm looking for, so restored and revitalized that I just thought, you know, I have to document it. I got my phone out and just started taking a few shots, a few videos, and I thought I definitely got to share with people. And yeah, today was really, really good.
So let it get over your head, all the blessings that he left in you. It wasn't no waste of time, you gotta just free the mind. Use it, never abuse the mind you came with. Use it.
So today I was in a place called Allt-Yr-Yn. And please forgive these pronunciations. I know I messed them up most of the times, to be honest, but it's also known as Hillside of the Ash Tree. which I found out afterwards. But it was beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It's like I said, one of 2 nature reserves that's been found in the Newport area of South Wales. It occupies 32 acres of just greenery, trees. It's beautiful, and it just felt like being in the wilderness today. I think that's down to like the woodland. It's been identified as an ancient semi-natural, so that basically means like some of the trees are native to that area and they've been around since like the 1600s. There's loads of like ferns, and yeah, it just had the feel of being like really, really out in the wilderness. And it's very clear why it's known as the hillside of the ash tree. There was loads of ash trees. There was also a couple of impressive old oak trees, and there was these 2 massive chestnut trees and sycamore trees as well. So it's really, it felt like I was really in nature today. Apparently it's home to like 50 different species of birds, and obviously these massive trees give them the home. Yeah, it's really, really beautiful today.
Hey, yeah, should you choose to see the true beauty in you, you would see a true flower blossoms too. Should you choose to see the true beauty in you, you would see, hey, I want you to. Hey, yeah, yeah, I want you to shine your light, hey, blossom too. Come on, just shine your light, hey, blossom too.
So when you end up coming out of the woodland onto the other side, you come out onto this, it's just a massive meadow, like a field. It's all sorts of, again, just nature. So I felt like I was just immersed in it today. There was dragonflies and all sorts of stuff. Also kind of wildflowers, common spotted orchid, and the yellow rattle, all sorts of. Also, I obviously googled these afterwards. But yeah, it was just so beautiful, really, really beautiful, and it was special because, like I said, I didn't intend to make a video, but because it made me feel so good, I thought I would just be a perfect opportunity to just show and express the importance of nature and the healing effects it can have on the mind, definitely on my mind, the body and the soul. And just that feeling of connecting to nature makes me feel at peace with myself. And then obviously the surroundings just reflect that. So yeah, I won't gab on for too long, but I will end this by just as a quote I read, and funnily enough, it was a couple of days before it actually came out today. And the quote was, peace, it doesn't mean to be, peace, it doesn't mean to be in a place where there is no noise, trouble or hard work. It means to be in the middle of those things and still be calm in your heart. Which I found very powerful. And then obviously coming out on the walk, it sort of just it tied it all in. So yeah, it was kind of profound as well. But yeah, thanks again for watching, guys. Big up yourselves every time. And I'll catch you all up again soon. And I hope you all take care and be safe. Big up.